friends, welcome to Mithis Kitchen. Today we are making a Baingan and Aloo with the yogurt. And what we need to do, we have to fry this Baingan, and also I have some round cut aloo too in it. Like I have took 2 big aloo and like 3 medium size of Baingan. So I will start now. What I will do, just to slightly sprinkle with the salt. So and I will add cumin, so it can be fried with the cumin, So at this point we will add our eggplant with it. And we will let it fry for a couple of minutes, and we will turn back until this our all Baingan can fry. So friends, now our eggplant and potato is fried. I have roasted with the cumin seed. So now on this pan, what we will do, we will make our masalas. So for that one, I have took 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, like garam masalas, a hing, slightly just quarter spoon of salt, and each of them red chili powder, and also half tablespoon of turmeric, and half of the cumin seed which is roasted, and couple teaspoon of coriander powder. So at this point we will add in this, and we have to cook with the low heat, and I will add we will add some more water, and this one we will let it cook probably like another 5 to 6 minutes until our old spices get really cook. You can see that our spices got roasted very good, like when we are cooking that. And at this point I will add like half of a lemon juice. So now we will take this all our spices in the bowl, and I will bring my other dishes to show you how I'm mixing that. So now you can see that our eggplant and potato fried, and our spices, we make the nice masalas. Probably I have cooked like 8 minutes. So now what we will do with these masalas, what we will have, that recipes goes like we will put it on the bottom. At this point we will add our potatoes. We have to make a nice layer. It's really very tasty and easy recipes. Just all you have to fry the potatoes and eggplant. And you know, like all the time we are eating our Indian sabjis with eggplant and potatoes. So this one is little bit different. And what we will do, we will add yogurt to it. And also I have roasted my eggplant with the cumin seed, and it really gives you good aroma and very tasty. This is like a change of taste and different recipes with the eggplant. And eggplant is my favorite. I love it. And eggplant gives you a lot of iron, and it's really good source of iron. So friends, now you can see that our yogurt and eggplant, like a Baingan and aloo. So that recipe is done, and you can see that it turned very well. So you know, like this is change of taste. Like usually we are used to with the Baingan and eggplant shak always, and that sabji is, sometimes we get tired of it to eating the same kind of product. So these recipes I found very good, and I really enjoy that whenever I cook this one. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, any question, comments, please leave it to the comment box. And until then, I'll see you back again with another simple recipes. Have a blessed day.